how to recover your Ticketmaster password if forgotten. If you've forgotten your Ticketmaster password and you want to reset it, it's very simple. Open your browser and go to ticketmaster.com. Then you will see this type of interface. Click on the sign in or register button located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then when we've done that, we'll come to this page where we have to enter our email address and click on the continue button. And if you forgot your password, you'll find the option called forgot password. In my case, it says me to reset my password, so I can click on the reset password button right there. I'll select send me an email and I'll just click on the next button. Now when I've done that, I will simply have to enter the one-time code that is received on my email. So let's just wait over here a couple of seconds, and once I wait enough, there I should be able to see the code. So I'll simply go ahead and copy the code and then paste the OTP code right there and just hit the confirm button. And when I've done that, I'll be able to go ahead and then basically enter a new password without having to remember my old password. And thus in this way, you can go ahead and then basically change your Ticketmaster password. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.